House and lot for sale here in Antipolo, Rizal. So ito. So meron pang 3 units ang natitira. Sa kabilang side, ongoing construction. So lot area nito is 59.20 square meter. And floor area is 66 square meter. And then meron siyang 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 car garage. So ito guys, ito yung facade niya, and nandito naman yung kanyang car garage. So pasukin na natin yung loob ng property. So open concept siya guys. Living area, dining area, and then ito yung kanyang kitchen area. So maganda yung unit, no? And then meron sliding door. Dito naman yan access sa inyong laundry area. So ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. Proceed tayo sa may second floor. Nandito naman yung 3 bedrooms. So this is the bedroom number 1. So meron na rin siyang provision for window type of aircon. And next, check natin itong kanilang toilet and bath ng 2 kwarto. Ito yung second bedroom. So ito siya. And yung last, ito naman yung master bedroom. So sa master bedroom, meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. And meron door doon, access yan papuntang balcony. So ito yan. So ang kagandahan ng single attach, meron mga window sa side. So syempre papasok yung mga air, and meron din syempre if you think this property is for you, kindly message me para sa ating site viewing. And then ang price pala nito is 5.1. Okay, so tapos na yung aking house tour. God bless and bye-bye!